Assuming you may be listening to this audio during an actual thunderstorm, this audio does not contain any sudden thunderclap sound effects. Hey. I heard the thunder rumbling. I got here as quickly as I could. It's good that we decided to make spare keys for each other. Scooch over. Let me sit on your bed. Hey. How are you doing? Yeah? Yeah. It's okay. Hey, this is a judgment-free zone. You don't need to apologize or be ashamed. I get it. Thunder is freaking scary. And sudden. I'm scared of the dark. We all have phobias. Hey. Shh. Shh. There. I'm gonna pat your head. Shh. I'm here. You're not alone anymore. You are not alone. It's gonna be okay. Just keep focusing on my voice. You'll be alright. You'll be alright. You'll be alright. Here. Grab an extra pillow. You can squeeze it if you want. Just squeeze it really tightly. If there's a random crash or thunder, just squeeze it, hold on to it. Okay? Okay. Shh. It's okay. You're okay. You're okay. No. Just because thunder and lightning doesn't make me scared doesn't mean I don't understand why other people find it scary. I get it. That's why I'm here for you. Yeah, I might not have a phobia of it, but random explosive crashes of thunder can still freak me out. Can freak anyone out. They're random loud noises. I get it. You don't need to justify it, baby. It's okay. Let's just focus on getting through it, okay? Want me to lie down next to you? Okay. One sec. Here. I'll wrap you in my arms. It's okay. It's okay. You're safe, sweetie. You're completely safe. It's okay. I've got you. You're safe in my arms. I've got you. I'll just keep patting your head. Yeah. It's okay. I'll just keep petting your head, running my fingers through your hair. It's nice and comforting. It's nice and relaxing. You'll feel better. Oh, it's so soft. I love moving my fingers through your hair. I think it's soft. Of course. I love you too, baby girl. I don't mind side spooning you if it makes you feel better, baby. Besides, I've been feeling kinda touch-starved for the past few days anyway. I'm long overdue for some cuddles, and something tells me maybe you are too. Shh. We're nice and comfy under the blankets. I'm holding you close in my big, strong arms. And I'm squeezing my chest up against you. We're safe in here, baby. You're here with me. You're alright. alright. You're alright. You're okay. I'm right here with you. You aren't alone. You are not alone. I am here. You're not alone. There you go. Good girl. Always so strong. Yes, you are. You're strong. You always have been. Remember the power outage last December? When I lost all the heat in my house and was freezing my ass off? Yeah. You brought over blankets and sweaters to make sure I was okay. Goodness, for a power outage in the dead of winter, it sure was a toasty time. We're here for each other. We look out for one another. It's what we do. It's not a burden. It's something we do for one another. Thankfully, this time we have heat. Though, if the power goes out, that could change. But if it does, I'll just add another blanket to the pile and hold you closer. It won't be so bad. I've got you. I know being side-spooned makes you feel a lot better. I wonder if squeezing me would help. You know, to have someone to hold on to instead of being held on to. You want to try it? Okay. Want me to turn away? No? You want to face me? Sure. We can hold each other then. There we go. Oh. Hey, have you been crying? Oh. I'm sorry. I didn't realize it was that bad for you. It's okay. I know. It sucks. I know. There. Poor thing. It's alright. I'll lay right here beside you. No, I'm gonna be right here with you. I'm not going anywhere. Here. Let me pull you in close. I'm gonna hold your head. Just focus on my breathing. There. We're nice and comfy under these blankets. It's okay.